See, this is the walkway right here. This is like free space. Don't mind the trash. Don't mind it. Come on, you shall. You know, this is my theater place. My 15-inch TV right here. We got all kinds of movies. This is the see right here. Look, this is the best. Wait, Hangover's not there, but whatever. You see this? It's knowledge right there. This is like Dale. Dale is the way to go. Dale, Dale, Dale. What else? Toy Story is the best movie ever. Right? Say it right.
Right?
This is $10,000 worth right here. Got it from Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Yep, Walmart. Walmart. This is my king size bed. Comfortable. Has 2 cushions and shit like that. This here, a meat TV. This fridge right here. You see this? You see this? Yeah, it has all kinds of food. This is a snack bar right here. If you wanted anything, there's all kinds of snacks. Mommy's got a microwave upstairs. Wait till you see the closet. Wow! You see this? This is my dream come true. Puma's the way to go. What else? What else can I show you? You see this? You see this? Yep. $10,000 chair, $20,000. It does that all the time. It does that all the time. This is the master bathroom. You see this? It has all this kinds of chlorine stuff. It's looking at you. Zebra right here. Do your business here all the time. You know what I'm saying? Right, MTV, just get the hell out of my house.